Hi friends, today I will be talking about natural peroxide. It does even exist. Yes, it does. It's up there, you see, the sun. Okay, so women or girls or boys or whatever, which one, if you want to have a blonde hair, so be like well, just in your mind, more beautiful. You don't need nothing, just sun. Okay, go off into nature, find the sun, and just do it like this, and you will see that soon from brown hair you will have almost blonde. So more you will be on the sun, more blonde you will have. And the sun, I can tell you, is good for you. Okay, is 100% good for you. uh, you just need, from, for example, in the summer, from, let's say, from 12 to 4 o'clock, you should be more like in a shadow of some tree. But later on, definitely just expose your hair to the sun. And Tina will show you the bigger difference because she has darker hair than me. And well, Tina, can I just, okay, here is more dark, and here I will show you the difference. You see, so okay, great, huh?
Hi.
Nah. So yeah, everyone should take a time to go out. Okay, you have more than enough time. Also, you don't need time watch. So we don't even use it because you don't need it. Okay, from time to time it's on your mobile, but well, this is another theme, maybe for next time. So thank you very much for watching. Be natural. Share and subscribe to This Is My Love. Put a comment below if you want. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.
Ciao.